Hello, in front of me I've got Starsand Island. In this video I'll show you how to craft ammunition. To craft ammunition, firstly let's go to a work table. Find ammo maker and craft it. Ammo maker can be bought, ammo maker blueprint can be bought in the exploration guide. Now place ammo maker, approach it, and here create new ammo. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.